so it's roughly about like 8:30 in the morning. Let's go and get some breakfast and tea. Where's my bag? Oh my god. Alright, ooh, it's cold. Yeah, winter's happening. It looks like it's 12 degrees on my little dash here. Yeah, it's gonna be cold this winter. Oh my god. I'm gonna go and run off and get some drinks. I'm gonna go and try to go look for tea. I like drinking my tea in the morning, and I'm usually just yeah, I'm out of tea. And I'm gonna go get my breakfast. I'm trying to just save like myself a little bit of time, so that way I can just plug in a little time and just study and stuff like that. So I'd like to at least try to get like breakfast out of the way. But usually most of the time I intermittent fast. I fast until probably 12 o'clock noon and just eat my first meal. I like doing that just because like it just really gets my mental focus. It takes away the energy to just like digest. There's a lot of like benefits from that, and so oh geez, what the hell? There's just too much water. Yeah, so it definitely does help a lot. And so I don't know, like I was just trying to like, today's just one of those days because I can't intermittent fast all the time, so I try to go and eat like at least a decent meal. So I did order some like scrambled eggs from A&W, actually kind of healthy, but yeah, and scrambled eggs. It's gonna be cool. So yeah, I'm gonna go pick it up and go plug away at my studying. But yeah, it is cold, and you can tell it's cold because like there's just like a lot of like moisture on the cars. Eventually like this is all gonna be frozen. I'm not a big fan of this. I still gotta go buy some like winter coats and stuff like that. So I've got like my little toque here ready. It's gonna be really exciting. There's freaking like dog hair on it. But yeah, it's gonna be exciting. Yeah. Anyways, see you guys in a little bit.
Welcome to NW. How can I help you?
Hey, I did a mobile order. It's for Paul for breakfast and coffee.
Yeah, you can come up to one.
Okay, thank you. Alright, let's go. Let's see if I can find some tea. Alright. I'm gonna try this one. Let's see. This one.
Continue to scan your PC Optimum card.
Easy on the go, and that way I can just go eat and then study, focus on this today. Got a whole day planned out. We're excited. You guys are all doing great today. I'm just gonna go over to the gym, just gonna go lift some weights really quickly. Today's one of those days where I'm just gonna take it really easy because I'm super sore from my Thai. You know, it's just from the Thai gym, and it's just been yeah, it's gonna be a good time, and I'll see you guys indoors. Really hate this mask. So yeah, that was definitely a short and quick workout. Just wanted to get out of the way, just because like, you know, studying, or like usually I'd like to try to get my mind active and get out there and just feel like, you know, get the blood pumping. So yeah, so that was pretty much my plan for today, because like, I knew it wasn't going to be my Muay Thai, just because like, it was just really pushing it. Like I've gone like 3 or 4 days straight, and it was just a lot of like, yeah, like a lot of workouts. And so my body's definitely like, sometimes you have to really listen to your body and know when to stop, so that way you will get injured, so that way it won't put you off for the next couple months or so. For the next few days I'm going to be off. I'm planning for 4 days just kind of like resting. So today is Thursday when I'm recording this, and then yeah, it's gonna be cool. I thought I'd take you guys in there along, just because like I just kind of have, my mic probably sounds like it's a little off, just because like I took the GoPro away, like the mic off the GoPro, so that. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. We're so close to 100 subscribers, and I'm so excited to get that going. Today I have a few advice for 18-year-olds, just because when I was younger I wish someone told me about this, and if I can make this video online and then share with everybody and keep it online, that way at least somebody can see this and watch it and be like, okay, you know what, like Paul has told me, maybe I can change one life out there. When I was 18 years old, I was so afraid to go do things, more things, and strive for more, because like I was afraid of standing out. I wanted to fit in with my friends. I really wanted to. I cared a lot about their opinions and being made fun of. I saw YouTube in 2006 and I just didn't jump at it because, like, you know what, like, I got being made fun of. The friends I was hanging out with was complete opposite. They were actually kind of making fun of you, always ragging on you, always, like, you know, but it's just, you're a kid, you know, you just want to pack together and be friends and fit in and going along together with the punches, right? But the thing is, like, as I grew older, I realized that, you know, friends do come and go. They do. The really good ones stay. And finding friends that really support you, uplift you, encourage you, ask you about like different things and like your goals and what you're up to, and all these things are so much more meaningful, and they're deeper than your typical like friends who are always out on the weekends and drinking and going to the bars and going to, like, you know, watching, like, you know, football and all that such. Like that's cool and all, and I like that, but not all the time. For me, like, I want change. I want something. I want to know everybody's goals. Like, what is everybody up to? Are you building a business? How are you building this business? How are you scaling it upwards? How are you doing all that? These are the questions. These are the conversations. Like, we're talking about relationship being deep, and a lot of people refuse to go there, and I'm not afraid to go there. I love it, and the thing is, like, you grow more that way. You grow together, and friends who are willing to share together with that is super important. And I wish that someone would told me, like, when I was younger, and I'm telling you this now, whoever's watching this on the internet, to like have a few select friends that are very powerful, are always uplifting, always goal driven, always encouraging you, supporting you, loving you. That encourages you to do more, and that's how you grow together, right? Hope this little rant helps you. I know it was really short this week, but anyways, I wanted to share you guys with that little tidbit, because like that to me is super key to your development, to mindset, to anything you want to do in life. Because, like, again, having those close friends, being supportive, and everybody else is being driven, you grow together. You grow together as a pack. Because if you're kind of staying home and you're getting high and you're doing drugs and everything like that, you know, you are the average of the 5 people you hang out with. And then if, you know, the people, those 4 friends of yours are doing drugs and everything like that, guess who's going to be the 5th one? You are. And then the opposite is true. If 4 of them are building businesses, guess who's going to be the 5th one? You are, right? Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that. Remember to like, subscribe, share. Have yourself a great one, guys. Take care.